I have this picture. But I want to place him as if he's enjoying an exotic beach. Perfect. That looks like a typical dream summer day, but I could add some company. Boom, now it's more like a family vacation. But let's add some famous faces. Now he's on the beach with Kate Middleton, Elon Musk, and Lionel Messi. The whole crew is enjoying the beach. That was easy and fun. Now we're entering the zone of my hidden plan. A plan so powerful it can erase every photo editor in the world in just a few seconds. And here's the twist. I won't keep it just for myself. I'll use it in my business. In Instagram edits that look unreal. And even in bringing forgotten photos from the past back to life. Let's start with photo editing, but this time for a serious business. Imagine creating a brand that could actually compete with Starbucks. I upload my channel's logo, give it the name Digital Fortune, and ask it to turn it into a coffee brand that already looks like it's dominating the market. It's no longer just an image, it's the first coffee of the future. Here comes the fun part. We're making cups with our logo, and why not throw in some promotional materials, like this, or even this. That's exactly how Starbucks does it, so why shouldn't we? Yes, but today I got this crazy idea. Let's create an epic photo for Instagram. So, it's time to move on to the next level of my secret plan. Now I'm going to upload these two photos and give it the task to merge them into one. And then, boom, magic on the screen. But hey, why not show off on Instagram? Here I am on a yacht, and then boom, a scene that takes your breath away. Let's place this guy next to a luxury pool, so it looks like he's living his best life. And boom, here's the man next to the pool. But here's the thing, I have a whole treasure of old photographs. Black and white memories just waiting to breathe again. And now, with just one move, I can bring them back to life, add color, and turn them into images that look as if they were taken yesterday. What if I gave this photo a whole new life and color? I drop the challenge to NanoBanana and wait for it. Boom! Watch the transformation unfold right before your eyes. And now, let's dive into the rest of my gallery. In just seconds, AI worked pure magic, turning the ordinary into the unbelievable.